Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be going over another science concept taught at GCSE, which is covalent bonding. Now covalent bonding is a very important part of chemistry. It only occurs between non-metals and it occurs when atoms share electrons. So there's a couple of rules you need to know before we go over covalent bonding. They're very simple. So as you know, electron shells surround nucleuses. Here I have my electron shells representative with the amount of electrons they have in them respectively. So the first rule is the first electron shell only needs 2 electrons. This is shown in hydrogen, as hydrogen only has 1 electron when it is on its own, which means it only has 1 electron shell. After that, all electron shells need 8, as seen in oxygen, or as will be seen in oxygen when we complete its electron shell. So let's jump straight into this process. So as I've already said, covalent bonding is the sharing of electrons, as opposed to ionic bonding, where a non-metal gifts an electron to a metal. What that means is these electrons here on our hydrogens are going to move over into the free space in the electron shell of the oxygen, creating a shared bond, which is very strong. Covalent bonds are very strong. They have no charge, which means most of the time the covalent bonds themselves won't break down in water, and you are not forming any ions when you form a covalent bond. If we have one hydrogen here and one hydrogen here, and we have an oxygen here, the hydrogens are joining to the oxygens, can anyone assume what molecule we're going to make? If you can, please leave your answers below in the comments. That is right, we're going to make H2O, also known as water. Unfortunately, I squished my oxygen molecule a bit because I had a bit of issues with, Microsoft Whiteboard. But that's alright, So as you can see here, hydrogen and oxygen are both sharing these 2 pairs of electrons here. My drawing with the mouse is really amazing. And oxygen has 2 lone pairs of electrons here. This means that therefore both hydrogens, have complete outer shells, and oxygen as a whole also has a complete outer shell, making one molecule of H2O. So if you did find this video helpful, please remember to hit like and subscribe. And yeah, thank you, and I will see you in the next one.